which one to get. But it's probably gonna be the Hello Kitty just for the fun. Come on now, come on. It's Rolito, and today we're on a beach day. Sunday. Today's not actually the final day because we leave tomorrow, but it's a beach day. We're gonna go in the water. It's hot. I'm sweaty. I forgot deodorant. This is the vibe where we're at.
The beach is nice. No bunch of seaweed on the sand. My hat. My $16. Wait, my $15 plus tax hat.
It should have been 5, but I didn't negotiate. And now I paid 15. Beach time is over. It's about a storm, kind of, sort of, maybe, I don't know. But I think it's like 1 or 2 p.m. I think we got here like at 10, so we're here for over 2 hours easy. Now we're gonna go get some food, and then it'll be Super Mario time and Love Island time. Traffic. Dixon Pest. Okay.
Services.
There we go. Dixon Pest Services. Holy shit. Never look at a car accident like that. Everyone slows down to get their look.
Where are you from? Texas. And who's that? What's that person from?
I can't read.
Kentucky.